Now those are single shots. If I wanted to fire this on full semi-automatic.
What the fuck does full semi-automatic mean, Jerry?
I don't know, sweetheart. Hey, Pat Donovan, what the fuck is he talking about?
I don't know, that guy's a moron, but the AR in AR-15 stands for assault rifle, Jerry. We don't want those on our streets.
Damn it, Pat Donovan. The AR-15 stands for Armalite Rifle, which is the company that makes the goddamn gun.
Oh, you're wicked smart, but it's still an assault rifle, Jerry.
Assault is an action, not an object. Hey, Jennifer, where's my goddamn clicker?
I saw one soldier who was hit in a fratricide incident in the shoulder, and the round came out his ass.
Thanks for calling Jerry's Automotive. Now, what do you want? No, you want to bang a Yui, get on the rotary, take Route 3 to Route 9, and you're there. No, those are directions to the Packy. Pick me up at 30 right, get back on 95, keep straight for about a mile. You'll see us off to the left.
Hey, boss, Foley just reverse jumped the battery and totaled the customer's car.
Damn it, Foley, that's coming out of your check.
I got parts for Jerry's Automotive.
Right here, kid. This the air filter for the Nissan. You guys are wicked fast. I'm impressed. Now I can get that car. Jesus Christ, Mary and Joseph. What the hell is this? Hey, kid, you take this and get the hell out of here with that. Jerry's Automotive. No, I will not, Carolina, squat your car. What are you, a fruitcake?
Oh, Jerry, thank goodness my car broke down in Hyde Park. I packed Charlie all the way up here. You think I can get a tow? My dogs are barking.
Okay, no problem. Hey, Marty, I need you to take Tommy No Neck Logan back to Hyde Park. We're going to tow his car.
Sure thing, boss.
Jerry's Automotive. You can't fix death wobble with the steering stabilizer. What are you, retarded? Should have just became a drywaller.
Just like your father. And speaking of family, how's your sister?
She moved to Worcester with a guy she met on Facebook Marketplace.
Whoa, well, how's your mother?
She divorced my dad and moved to Dorchester with a guy half her age. Fucking nut job.
Cicilla Productions.
I gotta be honest, you need more mechanics, Jerry. You only have 2 and they aren't that good.
Fucking budget cuts, Pat Donovan. The city raised the minimum wage, so I fired everyone and kept the 2 mechanics I could afford.